846. What's number? Hi, I'm Suikou Miura. It was restarted in April this year, and I was able to do a lot of activities. For example, Japanese calligraphy classes are held every month at nursing homes. And this summer, I went to Cebu Island and opened my first Japanese calligraphy class abroad. I felt the difficulty and happy of teaching for foreigners. Thank you, Cebu. As soon as I returned to my country, I held an event to experience writing goshuin in Japan. This is an example of the original goshuin. I was happy that it was an opportunity for to know about my activities. Finally, we also held a collaboration event with the flower arrangement staff. Thank you for your precious and good time. 846. This number is the number of students I have taught in 5 years. It was very nice year to meet you all. I do my best next year, so thank you for your support. I look forward to seeing you next year. Thank you for watching my video. See you next year. Bye!